The way we travel changed. How we travel changed. I have changed. Well, except the length of my skirt, which remained short. Today, I would like to introduce you to PROMADS, or Nomadic Travelers, or Progressive Nomad. They have always existed, but now their impact are growing. Who are PROMADS? PROMADS is a group of travelers who will not be defined by material things. They see themselves as contributors. One of our interviewers who travels just to see cafe around Thailand told us that he travels not only to try different coffee shops around Thailand, but he travels to see and learn about different coffee beans and coffee producer. And along the way, he would like to have conversations or start to exchange knowledge with people. So nomads are self-motivated. Nomads also believe in brands that reflect the same mindsets as theirs. So 81% of nomads also care about environment. So 81% of them said that they would like to stay in eco-friendly accommodation. Nomads travel with purpose, whether or not it will be to adopt new skills, adopt new mindset, or transform themselves. Me, for example, I'm a mom now, so I see traveling as part of my child's development. You can see my child in the back. That's one is my husband and also my child. PROMADS also prefer individual experiences. They try to avoid mass tourism. Earlier this year, you probably have seen the New Zealand Tourism launch a campaign to tell tourists to stop copying other people's photos. Instead, travelers should go find other places and discover other places in New Zealand. Why? Because this is what happened. If you look at Phuket, if you look at Bangkok and Chiang Mai, you will see diversified content. But if you look at Phuket, you see girls in bikinis. Bunny, you have to do something about that. There must be something else that you can do in Phuket rather than going in to say bikinis on the beach. So according to Booking.com, 56% of people know that social media isn't an authentic source of travel information. Like you can see, you can fake things on social media. So where do PROMADS go? We're still on social medias, but more like in a private group, DM, PM, or a group chat. Like sitting with your friends in a campfire, with your trusted and close friends. So to summarize what the PROMADS are not defined by age, gender, or income. It's defined by mindset. PROMADS avoid over-touristic places and seek out authenticity. They travel with purpose and they want to make an impact. They're still on social media, but they don't trust social media as much unless it's come from their inner circle friends. The last question about the PROMADS is they don't not what and where to travel to, but why and how we travel. Wimintra from Hotel Retail. See you next year. Thank you.
Thank you, Wimintra.